Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to issue a sales invoice to your customer in Zoho Books. This is an essential feature for any business that needs to bill clients professionally and keep accurate financial records all in one place. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Zoho Books dashboard where you can manage all your accounting tasks. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various menu options. Click on the Sales tab. This section houses everything related to your sales activities, from invoices to customer management. After clicking Sales, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Customers. This will display a list of all the customers you've added to your Zoho Books account. Now browse through your customer list and select the specific customer you want to issue a sales invoice to. Clicking on their name will open up their customer overview page, which shows you their transaction history and account details. This is where you'll initiate the invoice creation process. On the customer overview page, look towards the top right section of your screen. Here you'll find a button labeled New Transaction. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with various transaction types. From this menu, select Invoice. This action will open up a new invoice form specifically for this customer. You'll notice that certain fields in your invoice are already pre-filled with the customer's information, which saves you time. Take a moment to verify the invoice date and invoice number to ensure they're correct for your records. Next, focus on the item table where you'll add the products or services you're billing for. Click to add items, specify quantities, and make sure the pricing is accurate. After adding all your items, scroll down to include any customer notes. This is useful for adding payment terms, thank you messages, or specific instructions. Before finalizing, double-check the totals at the bottom to confirm everything adds up correctly. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click Save and Send. This will save the invoice to your records and send it directly to your customer's email. And there you have it. You've successfully issued a professional sales invoice through Zoho Books, making your billing process efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.